Okay, factoring. There are three different kinds of factoring. Okay, one is greatest common factor. So you need to always look for the greatest common factor first. Okay, second one is if there are two terms, we look for what's called the difference of two squares. And that's basically what can you multiply by itself to get the first one, the second one, and it'll end up ones plus, ones minus, okay, with your like terms on both sides. And then the third one is if there are three terms, that's your basic trinomial, and you figure out, you know, what multiplies to give you the first and adds, or the third term and adds to give you the second term. Okay, so let's look at these. The first one, 20x squared minus 4x. There's a greatest common factor. 4 goes into both, and x goes into both. What's left over? 20 divided by 4 is 5. X squared, I took 1x out, I have 1 left over. And then 4 divided by 4 is 1. You need the 1 there because when you multiply back out, you have to get what you started with. Alright, so now if I multiply this back out, I would get the minus 4x. The next one, x squared plus 12x minus 28. That's your basic trinomial. We're going to look for what can we multiply to get negative 28 that adds to give us 12. Well, negative 28, I have negative 1 and 28, or 1 and negative 28. I have 2 and 14. Oh, let's see, I can have negative 2 and 14, or negative 14 and 2. Do either of them add to get a positive 12? Yeah, negative 2 and 14. So x minus 2, x plus 14. It doesn't matter what order. Okay. The next one, we have two terms here. There's no common factor. Okay, nothing goes into both 49 and 121. So we look at them and think, oh yeah, 49 is a perfect square, 7 times 7. 121 is a perfect square, 11 times 11. So we have, what can we multiply to get 49x squared? 7x and 7x. And then what can we multiply to get 121 is 11 and 11. One's plus, one's minus. Okay. And the last one, x squared minus x minus 56. That's your basic trinomial. What can we multiply to get negative 56 that adds to give us negative 1? So 56, let's see, 8 times 7. So negative 8 times 7 or negative 7 times 8. Which one adds to give you negative 1? Yeah, negative 8 times 7. So there you go, your little review on factoring.